Today, we're taking a look at the Nissan Bluebird 4-door sedan 2000 SSS Attesa Limited U12 ladder type for the 1989 model year kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits, and that is a mouthful to say. 1/24 scale curbside kit. So this was released 2021 this year, months ago. This is the second version of the street type of the Bluebird that they have released. The first one came back in 2019 as the early type, the 1987 model year kit. There's been 4 rally variations released off this tooling as well. The last one was a Calsonic version. It's today's What's in the Box. And now getting started with the body. And as you can see, it's molded in a nice shade of red. And now we're taking a look at a parts tree D, which is going to be new for this version, the 89 version, which is the new front and rear bumpers, as well as the license plate holder back for the rear. There's the front and rear bumpers, which are a little bit different on the 89. And now take a look at parts tree B, which has the hood, steering wheel, rear seat, mud flaps, and now getting started with parts tree K. And there's the other side of the chassis, which you can see is pretty, has some detail molded into it, but the rest is all separate, which is good. Tie rod, sway bar, rear axle, oil pan for the underside of the underside detail, axle, transmission transmission wipers, part of the front suspension, the lower control arms. Another part of the underside detail, engine piece, rear suspension, center console. And I'm moving on to parts tree L, which is a lot of suspension and interior pieces parts tree. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be the same between all the kits. We'll take a look at the Baron interior, which is used between both race and street. Interior door panels, suspension, rear suspension piece, front axles, CV axles, door handles there, which are not chromed. Front and rear strut springs, gear shifts, brake steering column, pedals, another underside piece, half of the exhaust, and there's the other half of the exhaust. And now taking a look at parts tree M, which would be the seat parts trees. So you have, seats are 3-piece seats basically. Headrest, back. Now taking a look at parts tree E, which is the, we'll have the dash, the mirrors, a grille piece, which on the 87 version, this parts tree was molded in white. This time they molded it in red. This will be moving on to parts tree H, the chrome parts tree. So we have the rear taillight panel piece, which is different in than the 87 version. The 87 version, the chrome backing pieces are individual. They're not on a main piece. Here you have the headlight buckets, which are looked to be the same, mirror faces, and then some exhaust tips there. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree W, which will be the clear parts tree. Here we have the front and rear window pieces. And then down here we have all the headlight, taillight lenses over here, headlight lenses over here, marker lights, indicator lights, lenses, I should say. And now taking a look at the wheels, which will be new for this kit. See, they're two-piece wheels, center cap is separate. Now we're going to take a look at the generic blank sidewall roundy rounds. Nothing fancy special about these tires. And now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet, which is pretty full, has a good amount of decals on there. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Nissan Bluebird 4-door sedan 2000 SSS Attesa Limited U12 ladder type kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. 1989 model year. I don't think I said that. Yes, if you want to get yourself some Nissan color match paint, James at Scalefinishes can definitely get some mixed up for you. So on that note, thanks for watching. See you next time.